Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best outdoor toys is probably one of the most exciting categories for parents looking to get their kids active and engaged, offering a fantastic way to encourage physical activity, imaginative play, and exploration away from screens, and we've scoured the market to find the top contenders that promise hours of fun and developmental benefits for children of all ages, ensuring they can enjoy the great outdoors while learning and growing. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad for Kids and Dogs. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this fun sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with our shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like. Looking for a splash pad that keeps everyone safe? This one features a non-slip surface, making it ideal for both kids and pets. If you have a backyard and want a spacious area for your children and furry friends to cool off together, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The toy is made of durable, non-toxic plastic that can withstand rough play and outdoor elements. It features a unique design that encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills. The toy is easy to assemble and clean, making it convenient for parents. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our innovative splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun with the gentle fountain sprinklers. We prioritize your child's safety. This parent-approved outdoor toy is BPA and phthalates-free, ensuring quality fun in the sun and shade. We believe in the power of play for development. This product combines educational elements with outdoor fun in one amazing water play set. As a proud American company, we are dedicated to the safety and quality of our toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to help if you need us. What we like. Want to make learning fun for your little ones? This splash pad incorporates an educational mat, turning playtime into a learning experience. If you have a baby or toddler and are looking for a safe, engaging way to introduce them to water play while stimulating their development, this is the perfect option. What people say. It's been perfect for summer, super fun for both the kids and the dogs, and a great way to keep everyone cool. I also love that it's sturdy and doesn't feel flimsy like some others. The material seems to be thick and sturdy, with the water coming up to my daughter's ankle. After a year it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. Number 3. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting camping adventures with this all-in-one play set. It includes everything your little one needs to explore the great outdoors. This set comes with 17 essential camping items, from a pretend stove and lamp to binoculars and tools. It's perfect for imaginative play. The play tent is designed for quick and easy setup, making it collapsible and portable for fun anywhere. It provides a cozy space for your child. Light up the fun with a glowing pretend stove and a lamp that illuminates adventures. The included whistle also features a flashlight, compass, and thermometer for added excitement. This set is ideal for creating a mini play space, a reading nook, or a napping spot. It's recommended for children aged 3 and up. Looking for the perfect gift? This camping set is a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering hours of engaging play. What we like. If your child loves to imagine adventures, this set is a dream come true. It includes a pop-up tent and a full range of camping gear for imaginative play. For kids who enjoy pretend play and exploring the outdoors, even indoors, this provides hours of engaging fun. What people say. The tent assembles itself easily and seems of good, durable quality. The colors are vibrant and fun. The tent folds up for easy storage. The accessories are the highlight to this set and are so fun. The set has everything: a pretend campfire that almost makes you smell s'mores, a flashlight that works better than mine, and enough gear to turn bedtime into a full-blown wilderness expedition. It's sturdy, adorable, and sparks major imagination. The little toys that come with it are great, they are really thoughtfully made. The little lantern and stove are fun and tough and have a fun fake flame that lights up. The binoculars actually work, and the compass is real-ish, and the eating utensils fold up like real ones. Number 2. Meland Kids Camping Set Green. Get ready for an exciting camping adventure with this updated play set. It includes everything your little one needs to explore the great outdoors, right from their own home. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds, creating a cozy secret base for your child. It's perfect for imaginative play indoors or a fun backyard campout. Bring the campfire to life with realistic lights and sounds. They can also explore the world around them with the included binoculars and lantern. This pretend camping kit encourages independence and a love for outdoor activities. It's also a wonderful way for parents to bond with their children through shared play. Everything is included for a complete pretend camping experience. It even comes with a handy backpack to keep all the accessories organized, making it a perfect gift. With a variety of accessories like bugs, pretend food, and camping utensils, this set sparks curiosity. It's designed to inspire hours of imaginative exploration and learning. What we like. For the aspiring little explorer, this comprehensive camping set offers a realistic experience. It comes with numerous accessories, including a campfire and binoculars, to foster independence. If you're looking for a gift that encourages outdoor interests and imaginative play for children aged 3 to 6, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. This toy is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The design is engaging and keeps my children entertained for hours. It's easy to assemble and use, making it a great addition to our backyard. Number 1. Intex Jump-O-Lene Trampoline Bounce House. Introducing the Jump-O-Lene Playhouse Bouncer, designed for safe and secure fun. Made with phthalate-free PVC and high curtain walls, it ensures a secure play environment for your little ones. This inflatable castle is perfect for any space, whether indoors or out. Use it in the basement, living room, or backyard for versatile fun. Please note, an air pump is required for inflation. It's built to accommodate up to 2 children, supporting a combined weight of 120 pounds. This means double the fun and enjoyment for your kids. Enjoy worry-free playtime thanks to its stable double mattress floor. This design prevents tipping and wobbling, keeping it steady during active jumping. With a built-in crawl-through door, it sparks imaginative play and helps develop coordination and balance. It provides endless hours of fun and physical activity. What we like. Need a way to keep kids active and entertained indoors or out? This inflatable bouncy house provides a safe and fun jumping experience with its secure net walls. If you have children aged 3 to 6 and are looking for a way to encourage physical activity and imaginative play in a contained space, this is a great choice. What people say. 3 toddler, ages 4, 2, fit in very comfortably. The material is thick, durable, and feels very safe for little ones. It inflates quickly and holds air well, which makes it super convenient for busy parents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.